Hello and welcome to a LMAXlog video tutorial. In this video, we will explain you the benefits and process to set up Android for work devices. With this mode, you can enroll your device as an enterprise device, which will provide multiple benefits. For example, you can silently install applications on all enrolled devices without user confirmation. Here on left side tab, you can find options for Android for work enrollment. This is a way you can enable AFW and configure. To use AFW, you need to connect your LMAXlog MDM with Gmail account. Do so by clicking on Start Configuration. You can now redirect it to Play for Work website. Here you can log in with your Gmail account if you have not already logged in. After successful login, click on Get Started. Type your organization name and click on Next. Now it will ask you for DPO, that is Data Protection Officer information. If you have it, then you can fill it. Otherwise, you can keep it blank and click this checkbox and confirm. Complete registration. You have successfully connected your Google account with LMAXlog MDM console. Now we switch to device and look into the AFW setup. You can use this only on factory reset or completely new device. As you can see, I have factory reset new device. Choose your country and click on next arrow button. Accept device agreement and click on next. To set up as a new device, tap on skip for now and next. Please note, to set up Wi-Fi is very important. Select available Wi-Fi option and get connected. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi network before clicking on next. It will redirect you to some device specific screens, and these screens can be different for different devices. Please note, instead of your Gmail account, you need to enter AFW #setup. Remember, AFW #setup. Now it will ask you to install Android device policy app, so click on install and wait for download to complete. Click on accept and continue. The setup will begin. Please note, setting Android for work will take some time depending on speed of device. It may even take several minutes. Now it's time to scan QR code. It will install QR code scanner. You need to scan QR code which you have already created on LMAXlog MDM console. Else, if you find some difficulty in scanning QR code, you can enter device enrollment token instead. After successful verification of QR code, it will redirect you to final setup screen. Click on install. It will silently install all allowed applications along with LMAXlog. Now click on next. You need to log in with your LMAXlog account to complete setup. Click on start. Log in with your LMAXlog login credentials. After successfully logged in, you need to grant some permissions. Enable usage access. Grant write settings permission. Similarly, grant all other permissions. After successfully granting all permissions, click on Continue. Give some unique name to identify this device on console, and then you are ready to work. Click on Continue. As you can see here, all allowed applications are silently installed on a device. Now install some more applications from Enterprise. You have to select and save applications from Enterprise App Store. To do this, search applications you want to install and select it. I have selected Chrome, Slack, and Outlook. Click on Save to add selected application on device. This will update your LimaxLock profile and selected applications are silently get installed on all enrolled devices without user confirmation. Thank you.